Hello everyone. Amit Sir's Group Tuitions welcome you all for online learning session. Standard 8th, Subject English Balbharti, Unit 1, Subunit 1.1 Poem, Topic A Time to Believe. Students, like, share, subscribe our channel and click bell icon to get more videos. Students, as per the request, I will explain you the poem in Hindi also. Okay? A time to believe. विश्वास करना है. Okay? I'll read the stanza and I'll explain you in the Hindi. To believe is to know that every day is a new beginning, is to trust that miracles happen and dreams really do come true. Children, to believe is to know that विश्वास करना है कि पता है. To believe is to means विश्वास करना है. To know that कि पता है. Every day is a new beginning. हर रोज एक नई शुरुआत है. Is to trust that miracles happen. Is to trust भरोसा करना है. Trust means भरोसा करना है कि चमत्कार होते हैं. Miracles happen. चमत्कार, miracles means चमत्कार. And dreams really do come true. और सपने सच होते हैं. Dreams means सपने. So children, always dream in your own world that what you want to become, and it will come true. So we should always believe ourselves. To believe is to know that every day is a new beginning, is to trust that miracle happen and dreams really do come true. Okay, children? Next stanza. To believe is to see angels dancing among the clouds, to know the wonder of a stardust sky and the wisdom of the man in the moon. इसका मतलब है to believe is to see angels. विश्वास करना है कि फरिश्तों को देखना है. Dancing among the clouds. बादल के बीच नृत्य करते हुए देखना है. To know the wonder of a stardust sky. Stardust sky means children एक तेजस्वी आकाश. To know the wonder means आश्चर्य. To know the wonder of a stardust sky. एक तेजस्वी आकाश के आश्चर्य के बारे में जानने. And the wisdom of the man in the moon. और चांद पर जो इंसान है उसकी बुद्धिमत्ता देखनी है. So हमें ये बिलीव करना चाहिए that angels also may dance on the clouds. बादल के बीच में वो भी नृत्य करेंगे. And to know the wonder of a stardust sky. कि हमें उस आश्चर्य तेजस्वी आकाश के बारे में जानना है. And the wisdom, the बुद्धिमत्ता उस व्यक्ति की जो मून पे पहुंच गए, तो हम क्यों नहीं पहुंच सकते. हमें हम पर खुद पर विश्वास होना चाहिए. We should believe ourselves, children. Okay? Next. Third. To believe is to know the value of a nurturing heart, the innocence of a child's eyes, and the beauty of an aging hand. For it is through their teachings we learn to love. विश्वास करना है देखभाल करने वाले, दिल की कदर करने वाले. एक बच्चे की आंखों की मासूमियत और एक बुजुर्ग हाथ की सुंदरता हमें सिखाते हैं कि कैसे प्यार करना है. Children, to believe is to know the value of a nurturing heart. Who has nurtured us? Our parents has nurtured us. The innocence of a child's eyes and the beauty of an aging hand. We should know, we should believe. The small children, see how the innocent they are, how the aging hand, their beauty we have to look after because they have done lot for us. Aging hand means children, growing old people. Like our parents, as we will grow, they will grow old. As we will become young, they will grow old. But their teachings, we should never forget. They have taught us how to love. We should believe in our nurturing heart and aging hand and of child's eyes, innocence, everything we have to believe. Got it, children? Let me repeat it again. विश्वास करना है कि उन देखभाल करने वाले हाथों का, दिल की कदर करने में एक बच्चे की आंखों की मासूमियत और एक बुज़ुर्ग हाथ की सुंदरता हमें सिखाती है कि कैसे प्यार करना चाहिए. That make us learn how to love people around us. Got it, children? Next, to believe is to find the strength and courage that lies within us when it is time to pick up the pieces and begin again. विश्वास करने के लिए ताकत मिल रही है. To believe is to find the strength को पहचानो, हमारे साहस को, करेज को पहचानो. That lies within us, हमारे में वो करेज है, स्ट्रेंथ है. स्ट्रेंथ मीन्स ताकत, करेज मीन्स साहस, जो हमारे भीतर है, हमारे अंदर है. जब लेने का समय आता है, हमारे टूटे हुए टुकड़े को एक साथ ठीक करने के लिए हमारे पास विश्वास होना चाहिए. बुरे दिन जब आते हैं, इसका मतलब ये नहीं कि हमारा सब कुछ छीन गया, चला गया, ऐसा नहीं होता. पिक अप द पीसेस मीन्स रिटर्न टू द नॉर्मल आफ्टर शॉक. आप वापस नॉर्मल हो जाओ और आगे फिर से एक नई शुरुआत करो, क्योंकि हमें हमारे खुद के ताकत पर, हमारे साहस पर हमें विश्वास होना चाहिए. चिल्ड्रन, गॉट इट? नेक्स्ट, to believe is to know we are never alone, that life is a gift and this is our time to cherish it. विश्वास करना है कि पता है हम कभी अकेले नहीं हैं. जीवन एक उपहार है, उपहार, गिफ्ट, एंड और इसे संजोने का यही हमारा समय है. ओके, इनको चेरिश, टू होल्ड समथिंग एज वेरी डियर एंड ऑफ अ ग्रेट वैल्यू. हमारे खुद की लाइफ को हमें चेरिश करना चाहिए चिल्ड्रन, बिकॉज सी इन दिस करोना सिचुएशन, if you will not cherish your life properly, if you will not take care of your life, you are gone then. So you believe that in this situation also we will tackle this, all the situation whatever we are facing such a big pandemic, right? We have to believe that we are never alone, because this life has also been given by God, a gift, so we have to cherish it and we have to survive. Got it, children? Next, to believe is to know that wonderful surprises are just waiting to happen and all our hopes and dreams are within reach if only we believe. If you will believe ourselves. विश्वास करना है कि पता है अद्भुत आश्चर्य बस होने के लिए इंतज़ार करें. अद्भुत आश्चर्य, वंडरफुल सरप्राइजेस होने हैं. जस्ट वेट फॉर दैट, वेट एंड वॉच. हमारी सारी आशाएं और सपने पूरे होने वाले हैं. आर विद इन अ रीच मीन्स पॉसिबल टू अचीव. इट इज़ वेरी मच पॉसिबल. See how much we have faced problem in this corona situation, in this lockdown. Then too we are believing ourselves, we are surviving, we are living, we are tackling all the problems, and we are keeping our all dear ones safe. Correct, children? Why? We know that wonderful surprises are waiting for us. Something good will happen. All our hopes and dreams will come true if only when we believe ourselves. केवल हम विश्वास करना है कि हमारे खुद पर, हमारे आने वाले फ्यूचर पर. Understood, children? This is the poem written by B.J. Morbidz. Okay, students? So I'll explain you all the vocabulary here. Stardust means having a magical quality. Nurturing means providing nourishment, care, and protection. Who has nurtured us? Our parent has nurtured us. Aging, growing old. Pick up the pieces, return to normal after a shock or disaster. Cherish, hold something as very dear and of great value, within reach, possible to achieve. So, children, you understood this poem? Okay? The next video I will explain you all the English workshop. Got it, children? Yes. Thank you.